This look is on YouTube. I'm going to do a little bit more rhinestones to have a little bit of fun. I love this look, but I need to bump it up with rhinestones. So I have this glue right here. My glue it looked like my glue is drying, but I'm going to go right here with it. I don't know how strong it is. It is definitely drying. I might have to use something else. I'll have to use something else because this one is going. I haven't used it in a while, so it's drying up. I gotta figure out how to. Oh, after I'm done here, I'll put in a little bit of warm water. But I just want to now I'm going into my glitter glue. I just want to do a little bit more with this look. So watch me rhinestone this look. This is my rhinestone tool. I'm coming along. I hope you can see it. Can you see it? It's like a gold, but it's more citron to me. The correct name, I think, is citron. That's what it looks like to me, a citron. But you can call it a gold. I hope you can see it. Now, where to? Where's the next? I never know. I'm just gauging and doing it. I'm going into the pink. Too much glue. Too much glue. That's what happens when you put too much glue. It doesn't fit, it holds on to it. Now this is the other side of this, and I'm moving it because it's not where I wanted it to be. You see how it's flipping? So I use that to kind of move it around. So when it has too much glue, it pulls back. When you try to rest it, it pulls back. Like this one is not where it's supposed to be. You can see it, right? This is where I put the glue, but because it had so much glue, it just went everywhere. So I'm gonna try it again. I didn't want to cooperate with me picking it up because it's sticking already in the back. So I use my hand to apply it. Under the eyes. And there's a citron color. I will do that under the eyes. I'm using my glitter glue. This little glue that I have here is not. Oop, I pick up too much. And this is how my stuff don't work. I'm gonna try to fit 2 of them. We're doing good, we're doing good. Almost done. And a little bit of glue is on the side. Do I have one? Yes. Now the forehead needs something, right? Do it the opposite way. Oop, glue in. Can you see what I'm doing? I am going to do, after this one, I am going to go off camera, do it, and then come back to show you. Okay, okay, that will take a while. My rhinestones, my rhinestone tool, my rhinestone look. Pink, that's a citron, it looks like gold. Blue, white, and this is an iridescent one. This is like a lime, and this is the red. I'm checking to see. I want to see if you can see the reflection of this one in the middle right here. Today's item is God have given me everything I need. God has given me everything I need, and it is inside of me. Always remember you first. Love yourself plenty. Do not give up on yourself. If you need help, seek help. Call someone, text someone, ask them for help, but do not suffer in silence. I will see you shortly. Hype this video. And as always, until I see you and you see me, remember, God has given you everything you need, and it is inside you. Go inside, go within, go deep, and seek out what it is you're looking for. I will see you shortly. Bye.